Alright, what I have here is a Medeco 51S biaxial lock. This is a 5-pinner, and I was able to pick it open a few times today, so I want to try to get it on camera. Only to the left, unfortunately. To the right is a little more difficult, so I wasn't able to do that today. Alright. So we'll see if we can do this. I tried to get it on camera just a little while ago. Unfortunately, took too long. So we'll try again. And for whatever reason, before I start trying to shift the pins around, or turn the pins, rotate them, I at least get a little counter rotation on pin 1 when I set it. I'm not quite sure why. Alright. So what I check for in the beginning is just if the pins are kind of springy, or I'll try to set them if I feel resistance, and if I don't hear a click, I kind of know that it's binding on the sidebar. And then I'll release some tension and maybe try to turn it a little bit. Alright. Okay. Okay. So far so good. I think I'm setting a couple of pins, and oh, there we go. Alright. So I think I had a little bit of a full set. But the security pins that are in here aren't too effective. They're kind of like mushroom shaped pins. Alright. Okay. So I kind of want to see what the sidebar is looking like. I'm not sure if it was damaged from me picking it for a little while. You know, maybe it was bent up. Not sure. Okay. I want to try to keep it open. Okay. Okay. So far, so good. actually. Let's try this again. Okay. Oh, those are just the half moon clips. I think they're to protect it from drilling. Okay. I'll try to keep this in focus. Alright, so let's see. I don't really remember how to take this thing apart, to be honest with you. Yeah, so it looks like the sidebar is working. It doesn't look like it's chipped or anything like that. And it has these two little springs in there. And then the chisel pins. Try not to lose any of this stuff. So these are all, I think, the older style pins. You know, they have a cut running down the whole side. So if you want to try to get a little Medecoder or device in there, you can. I think the newer ones don't have the cut running all the way through. Okay. And these stacks are pretty balanced, I think. Well, maybe not actually, because this first one was kind of small. Okay, so that's what I was talking about, the mushroom shaped drivers. Oop, it's just a regular one. Alright, so there's only one mushroom driver, I think. The rest are, or there's two. The rest are just standard pins, and there's not really like a deep cut in it. Let's take a look. Alright. And for the time I put into this lock, the key pins are actually in pretty good shape. You know, the lock still operates. They are used. I mean, you can tell I've been picking it, but you know, for the amount of time I put into it, I think they actually hold up pretty well because they are steel. All right, I don't think I'll show the sidebar. I don't remember it looking like this. I have other Medecos, but I thought the teeth, I don't remember seeing this little notch in there in the other ones, but I could be wrong. And that's it. Alright, so feel pretty accomplished. Pretty tough lock, Medecos. I do have a 6-pin lock, and I've been able to pick it before to the left and right, but not on camera, and it's kind of inconsistent. So, and those are the springs. Also, I like that you can this comes threaded like that, the chambers. Yeah, machined really nicely too. All right, thanks for watching, and happy picking.